Alright guys, welcome back to another video with me, TechBomb Solutions. Today I just got my new microphone, and as you hear, or as you may hear, depending on how many videos of me you have watched, the audio is a little bit different. Today I'm using a Svive Hydra streaming kit microphone with a shock mount and a pop filter. So I'm going to try out my Corsair Void headset versus the Svive microphone, USB microphone. So this is the Svive microphone, and as you can see, it is moving. So I'm gonna try some different things. As example, the pop sound. I got my pop filter on, and I'm gonna see how different sounds compare to each other. So sounds like that, like S sounds and F sounds and pop sounds. And also I'm gonna blow in the microphone, so keep the volume down now. Alright, so that was my newly purchased Svive Hydra streaming kit microphone. So now we'll try out the Corsair Void wireless headset. Alright guys, this is my Corsair Void wireless headset microphone test. Now I'm going to try to blow in the microphone. I will also do a recording with the extra pop filter on top of the microphone and see the difference. So this was the Corsair Void wireless headset. So now try the Svive Hydra streaming kit microphone one more time to with the extra pop filter on. Okay, so this is with the extra pop filter on. Alright, so now I am blowing. And you should see a difference also with the pop. So I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, TechBud Solutions, or TechBomb. I'm sorry, did I just say TechBomb? But anyway, TechBomb Solutions. Please subscribe and like the video. It will help me out a lot to grow my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.